Gravity Forms is the most powerful and extensible form builder for WordPress, allowing you to create fully accessible, high-converting forms. Whether you want to create contact forms, accept online payments, design quizzes and surveys, or build custom business solutions, it's all possible with Gravity Forms. With our built-in template library, it has never been faster and easier to create and customize beautiful, elegant forms. Our form editor lets you use drag and drop functionality to add and move fields around, allowing you to create forms to your exact requirements. Additionally, column control lets you easily position form fields in the order and layout of your choice. And fields can be edited within the field settings. Alter field labels, add descriptions, set fields as required, and much more. You can also use the compact view feature to see and edit your form from a bird's eye view. When you are done customizing your form, you can easily embed it within a page or post, or create a new page or post directly from within the form editor. Gravity Forms also lets you customize the look and feel of your forms using our form theme orbital and block styling options. Tweak the color scheme of your form, alter the size of your inputs, modify button styles, and much more. And if you need to further customize and extend the functionality of your forms, you can easily install add-ons via the built-in add-on browser. Integrate with external platforms like Stripe, MailChimp, and Zapier, or install our many feature enhancements, including the survey, user registration, and conversational forms add-ons. The Gravity team is also here to support you on every step of your form building journey. From extensive documentation to one-on-one support from our expert support team, it's easy to get the help you need whenever you need it. Ready to jump in? Get started building forms today with our free demo to see why Gravity Forms is the #1 form builder on the market. It's all possible with Gravity Forms.